got a gift from Tuff Jug, and I'm actually super stoked about this one. I wanted one of these for a while, and so they sent me one, or two. Story time. Ignore the messy garage, it's a work in progress. I had a Harley motorcycle in here, and I was draining it into this gas can, and then the hose that was draining in popped off the thing, fell into the gas can, and I almost lit the whole garage on fire. Gas poured everywhere, I was covered in gas. Lots of fun stuff. But that's not the point of this story. I broke the gas can. I don't know if you can see that, but I broke it. And so I need a new gas can. And I know, the blue's for kerosene, but I use the different color gas cans to differentiate the premium versus the regular. Anyway, so yeah, I was in need of a gas can. So I reached out to Tuff Jug, was like, hey, I'm a cool guy. You guys can send me stuff. And it worked. Leo Vinci, you had your time. If you're interested in slip-on exhausts, the Leo Vinci stuff I just swept over was from the slip-on exhaust that I got on my motorcycle. Got a video for that, go check it out. Tuff Jug's getting a really good turnaround time compared to them. We've got a auto stop extendo spout, cap, KTM adapter, ripper cap. These are cool, you'll see. 5 gallon, 2.5 gallon. This one's gonna have my regular gas for like the lawnmowers and all my other equipment. And this is gonna have premium, which is for the motorcycles. It matches the motorcycle, which is pretty cool. They come in a bunch of different colors. I wanted green, they didn't have green at the time. I will get a green. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but I want a green. All right, ripper cap. This all feels super durable. So you have your lock here. Now you've got your fill. These are auto stopping, so you're not gonna overfill your tank, which is nice because if you're filling up a lawnmower, you don't want this thing to just keep overflowing everywhere. These will be for like motorcycles, lawnmowers, things where the gas inlet is on the top. Got our cap for this spout. You get a little bit more flexibility with that. You can fill up things on an angle, and it's also gonna be an auto stop. These all have vent tubes, which makes this flow very fast, but the fastest system is these ripper caps. Also, KTM adapter sits right over top of the ripper cap. All right, we got our gas cans filled up. Cool thing about these ripper caps is they're anti-spill, so you're not oops. I can see it now, everyone in the comments, oh, it's just water. If it's just water, could I do this? Yeah, you're right, it's just fucking water. Let me show you how this thing works. And ripper cap, no spill. Basically how this works is when you press this down into your gas can, you're gonna get fast flowing fuel. There's a air hose in here, that way you're not gonna get that suction effect that you would with your normal gas can that doesn't have added airflow like that, which is really nice. That makes for a faster fill. So here's our other style. It's gonna have fast flowing fuel because of this air hose in the middle. Then when you're filling up, once the fuel reaches the bottom of this spout, it's gonna automatically stop pouring. All right, let's put some real gas in here. We'll fill up the lawnmowers and the motorcycle, show you guys how they actually work. So just keep in mind if your gas tank inlet looks like this, you're gonna wanna use this KTM adapter because this would hit the metal stop here. Let's use that other cap too. The only negative I have noticed is that little hose, that straw, that tube that comes out of here, this fell off on this one twice. So I don't know if there's a better way to secure it, but it fell off and so it's not working as fast as it should. All right, so that's it, auto stopping. And we are full. All right, so final thoughts on these Tuff Jugs. I think they're sick, real easy to use with the different spouts and attachments. You can pretty much use these on anything. They come in a ton of different colors, handful of different sizes. So you've got options, and yeah, I think they look sick. You get the auto stop spouts, which you don't usually get in your typical gas can. Link to these will be in the description. I also have a discount code for these in the description, so if you want a little bit of money off. If this video is helpful, click that subscribe. If this video is helpful, click the like button. That helps me know that I'm putting out content that you enjoy. And click subscribe so that you don't miss out on, almost lost you there. And click subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. Comment if you have any questions, and yeah, thanks for watching.